the two babies, huh? They won't come and drink the milk, though. Yep, I think these two cats are going to be going with us to our new home. But there goes my baby.
I need to close it so we
I think it sees us. So the little black one ventured out. Yeah, he went the other way. I don't know if he's still in the garage or if he just stepped out. Okay, we don't want to scare him away, so don't rip the door. I'm going to have to ask Apple how we zoom when we're videotaping. There's got to be a way.
It's so cute.
You gotta be hungry, little one. Go and eat. You need to go and eat, little one. He looks sleepy. His little eyes are closed. You know they gotta be hungry, not unless the mommy's in there feeding them. Uh-oh. Well, I thought Anna was gonna scare him emptying the trash. Where's the little black one? Where did he go?
See over there.
Hi, little kitty cat. Are you gonna be our cats?
Yes, you are.
We'll have to see. There's two. They've been in the garage. Look up there. And then there's a black one too, but he just walked to the other side. But we've been trying to get him out now for almost a week, huh? But they won't come out and get the milk. He's like, I see you guys over there looking at me. Okay, get up. Mommy's going to see if I can get him to come out and get the milk. Huh?
The cat is Siamese.
Yes. Let me get up. No. Hold on, baby. I just don't want to scare him.
I guess that's their home, the garage.
Come back. Don't go out there, Joshua. Come back. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. See, he's going back. Okay, you guys just come back. Come back, Joshua. No. Hi, kitty. Hi. Meow. Come get some milk. Stay right there, Joshua. You come get some milk? Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Stay back, you guys. Stay back. Hi. You come get some milk? No? We have plenty of milk. Okay, I want you to stay there. Don't move. We have plenty of milk, little one. Ah, there's the black one, too. I see you. I said go back. Go back. Hi, boys. I don't know if you can see the black one over there by the chairs. Hi. I see your brother over there hiding. Your brother or your sister hiding behind the chairs. Hi. Meow. Okay. Look how beautiful you are. You have beautiful blue eyes. Yes, you do. I see those beautiful blue eyes. Hi, kitties. Hi. Hi, puppies. So the brother is over there by the black chairs. He's right in between. Brother or sister? He's scared. But they won't come out. Hi. Hi, kitty. Hi. I see you. I wish I could zoom in and take a picture of you. Can't see you behind those black chairs. Not at all. Hi, kitty, kitty. You get some milk? Meow. Get some milk? Okay. Okay, let's go back in the house. Let's go back.